Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to sell your products directly on Instagram and Facebook? In this video, I will walk you through how to connect your Shopify store with Instagram and Facebook step by step. Perfect for beginners. Let's dive in. Before we start, make sure you have a Shopify store, a Facebook Business Manager account, a published Facebook page, an Instagram business account, and both profiles connected to the same Meta Business account. Now go to your Shopify admin dashboard, click Apps, then App and Sales Channel Settings. From the uh, top right corner, click Shopify App Store. Now search for Facebook and Instagram. Then click Install, then click Open. Once installed, you will be asked to connect your Facebook account. Just log in, click Get Started, and connect your account from here. Click Connect Account and enter your Facebook credentials from here. Make sure you select the correct assets. This part is very important. Now, let's set up your Facebook shop. In Shopify, go to Facebook Sales channel, then under the Commerce Account section, choose your Commerce Manager account. It's look like that. I will show you from Google Images section. Shopify, Facebook, Shop Setup. It's look like that. This allows you to create product catalogs and tag products in your posts. You can customize your shop from here. Now it's time to activate Instagram shopping. Go to Instagram shopping tab in Shopify. Search for Instagram. And confirm your connected account. Once approved by Instagram, you will be able to tag products in posts and reels. Shopify automatically syncs your product catalog to Meta. To check, go to Facebook Business Suite, Facebook Facebook Business Suite or Business Manager. Log into your account. I'll show you Meta Business Suite. Look like that. Then go to Commerce tab from your dashboard. Find Commerce tab or Catalogs. Make sure your products meet Meta's policies, especially product images, titles, and descriptions. Once your shop is approved, open your Instagram app and create a post. Click on more or home. Then from here, click create. Then select from your computer and upload your product image, like the hoodie. Then click next. Add a title, location, etc. You will now see the tag products option. This lets people buy directly from your Instagram feed or stories. Now let's talk about why Instagram. Instagram isn't just a photo sharing app anymore. It's one of the most powerful platforms for e-commerce with over 1 billion active users. People come to Instagram to discover new products, explore brands, and even shop directly through posts and reels. By connecting your Shopify store to Instagram, you can tag products in your posts and stories, create a seamless shopping experience, reach a younger, highly engaged audience, and turn your followers into customers, all without having all without leaving the app. So that's it. Your Shopify store is now connected to Facebook and Instagram. Just download the Facebook and Instagram app from your Shopify app store. You are re- you are ready to reach more customers where they hang out every day. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more Shopify tips, and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. So take care, stay tuned.